Right now we were playing our C major cadence. Can you turn the page to page 6? And I want to play our broken style in our F major cadence. Let's go ahead and write in how many counts will be on our block style. I'm going to go ahead and write in my 4/4 and my 3/4, just so that I remember how many beats are going to be in each measure on those cadences. But I want to try the broken style chord with just our right hand. I don't want to play hands together on the broken. So for this one, I'm going to float my hand into F position. Do you see the fingers for your F, A, C for your red chord? Let's play 2 red chords and let's count out loud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you move to your blue chord? We're going to stretch up. And because we're in F major, what's our magic key? B flat. Make sure you're playing a B flat with that 3 finger. Do you have the do, fa, la? Let's play 2 of them and count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Should we try our yellow chord? Sometimes it's tricky for me to just jump to my yellow. So if you want to, you can kind of even let your hand almost look like it's coming back to red. I like to use red as an anchor chord to help me find it. And then I can stretch my thumb and add my 2. Do you see the pieces of the T, Re, So? Can we play our 2 yellow chords and count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now let's come back to our red chord. There's only 1 red chord, and then we're going to have to take our finger and we're going to need to find do. Right now we are in what major key? F major. So when I come up, I'm going to want to find, do you see that F way up high? So let's play our broken red chord. Do, mi, so. And then I'm going to come and find my do. Do you see that? F way up high. Yes! Can we try that with our left hand? I'm going to float my left hand into F. So my pinky's on F now. And this time, let's go ahead and just sing the solfege. We've already done our counting, so we're going to play our 2 red chords. Ready? Do, mi, so, do, mi, so. Let's stretch up for our blue chord. Make sure we have a B flat. When we play our 2 finger, ready? Let's play our blue chord. Do, fa, la, do, fa, la. Let's get down to our yellow chord. I'm going to actually let my hand come back to red for just a second so I can see how to get to that yellow. Can we play the broken yellow chord with our 5, 3, 1? Ti, re, so, ti, re, so. And now I'm going to come back and end on my broken red chord. And this time when I play do, I can just use my other hand to play the F. Let's try that broken red chord. Ready? Do, mi, so. And then I play the F, do. And I can play it broken with my left hand. Don't try putting hands together on the broken chords. Just keep those separate for now. But that's a fun way, and you can shake it up. You can always choose. It could be C major or F major, block, broken, any way you want to try them.